Hi, this is Sandra Sabine again, and I wanted to share just a few moments with you about the therapeutic qualities of mindful art and meditative painting experiences. So let's be clear right now, this is not art therapy, and I am not a therapist. I am not a mental health professional. There are mental health professionals on our team, but we also like to clarify that we are not providing therapy. So please understand that with every program that we offer, please follow the instructions or recommendations for your own healthcare professionals or your support system. That being said, to clarify what this actually is expressive arts. So expressive arts is letting go of the outcome and focusing on the present moment, what's unfolding, what's being created. And that's where the mindfulness comes in. So they're mindfulness practices using expressive arts multimedia. So multiple art mediums such as paint, markers, pencil, and even other things such as movement and theater and music. This all offers us opportunities to connect with our creative self, our right brain, our ability to express how we feel in the moment. And that's what we're offering with these activities. So I hope that clarifies.